What a stream! Oh. Actually, I like this area so much because you can find a lot of waterfalls. But the problem is that the access to get here is quite difficult, it's quite challenging because it's muddy and the roads not concrete, so it's quite difficult, and it's small road, so you can't use cars or even bus to get here. You just have to use motorbike, scooter, something like that. We are getting close to that waterfall though. I wonder how does it look like right now. We got the other small waterfall just by the road, by the what is that name? Pine trails, for the nice word, for the icing word. You see behind me. See? Oh, there is a banana. Let me check from this side. See? See? You already found. This is the second one. The first one is on the other side. Look at that. That's the highest one. See? Magnificent. Ah! Oh God. It's amazing. Oh, I got here. I got here again. Ah! Yeah, and it's drizzling now. Beautiful, right? It's so beautiful. Exploring the small one. Okay. The small one, but that's fine. So we just visited that one, and actually I'm not the only one here, because some villagers, they go to this jungle to gather some woods or how to say, grass or leaves for the goats. As you already saw one, they have a goat house, is that how to say it? And it was there out of nowhere, because the village is quite long, they're very far. I think a kilometers or 2 kilometers from here. So a big question though, what happened if at night there is some jungle beast came and feast the cows? That's just a crazy thought of mine. Also, they had some banana, because there are many banana tree you can see, and this one, you see this particular fruits is still baby. They will normally they use it I don't know how to explain, but this when it's already old, is old enough to harvest. Normally it got very nice inside. It's like fruits. I don't know what this is called. Fruits or seeds. I don't know. But when it is young and still a flower, or they got the how to say, like a nectar from the flowers. Gather it and you can make sugar from it. Yeah, we call it gula aren. It's like a brown sugar, and it's quite expensive here. Also, mm, I don't know how to say actually. I have nothing to talk about. And also, I found another. Not I found banana. See, there is a lot of bananas here. Also, what is that name? Coffee tree. See, this is coffee tree. I think I wonder if this what going to be a coffee. I don't know, it came together, but there is a flower as well. Oh shit, it's full. So that's all that I can tell you. There is a cardamom. Those are cardamoms. Cardamoms. Let's check if they they don't have. I think it's just flowering, blooming the cardamoms. Galangal. This is the tree of galangal. I don't know if you ever heard that name, but there's some of the herbs that we have. You see this bamboo stuff? This is normally used for to harvest the fruits that I was just talking about, so they can just climb, put it on the tree like that.